Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to the detailed breakdown of the new for fall 2010 Gerbings Core Heated Sock Liners. So I have one in my left hand here. This is the left side. It's a left side and a right side specific. For around $200, you're getting two socks that are built in, that are wired up with a Microwire technology, each with its own battery that will last up to 10 hours and continuous heat on the lowest setting. And you're also getting a harness if you decide you want to run the socks up to your belt. You can wear that as well. We're going to show you that in a second. The reason I have the lovely and talented cat standing next to me with this unisex sock video is that I'm going to crouch down. I'm going to show you what it looks like on cat. So obviously it's warm here. It's summertime here at RevZilla.com. So we wanted to use cat in a pair of shorts so you could see how it would interface with the leg. But for the most part, if you're wearing these, you're going to be wearing a pair of pants over them. This is one configuration. Notice she has the right side sock on. And what we have is this red element towards the bottom. That's where the heating elements live within the sock. The wire comes out, it runs along the inside of your leg, and then up near the top you can see that we have the lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 10 hours. That's built in. I'm going to show you how this guy works. So it lives right there, and if I pull it out, this has a wall charger that comes standard with it. It'll give you, this allows you to not only control the power output, which at the highest level, 100%, gives you 2 continuous hours of 135-degree heat, but it goes down in increments of 25% from 75, 50, and ultimately at the lowest setting at 25%, which is going to be 85-degree heat, but give you that 8 to 10-hour range per sock per leg. Notice how it's wired here. Now it's a basic sock that's breathable. It has a stretch element to it. There's elastic towards the top to keep it up and keep it in place. But remember, if we look at cat here, the heating elements are going to be contained within the red area of the sock, and this would be great for any type of active sport. You know, a lot of the other Gerbings Core Heat product we say isn't really motorcycle appropriate because they make a whole motorcycle line. I would say that these heated sock liners really could interface well depending on, regardless of any time you need heat in your feet and it's cold out. So think ski, snowboarding, fly fishing, inside your waders, shoveling snow, whatever you need, this is going to keep you from getting cold in some of the most bitter conditions, because a lot of times this is going to live underneath a winter boot. Kat, do me a favor. Put your foot down and turn that way. I just want to show the outside of the sock. So I'm going to put this down for a second. I'm going to show you how this guy works. So there are a couple different ways that you can do this. So the first way is by putting this piece underneath your pants, and this is going to be a harness that would go up around your calf, and this would have the battery pack that lives inside of it. So the second way that you would connect your sock, and notice I have it off of cat now, I want to show you, is that each one of these Gerbings Core heated sock packs, you know, it comes with 2 clips like this. And each one of these clips also comes with its own sticky. And what you could do, remember there's 2 batteries, one for each sock, is you can sticky the clip to the battery. And now instead of wearing the calf harness, you could actually clip this to the outside of your boot. So you have the sticky, you have the sock that comes in, it pokes through the top of your boot, and now you can clip this guy directly to your boot if you so choose. I will say though that it's not a Velcro piece, it's actually a full sticky, so once you install it, it's going to be a little bit hard to remove it. The guys that are going to want to use the clip are going to know it, and they're going to gravitate towards it, and usually people pick one or the other. The last iteration here works regardless of whether you're clipping or if you're using your harness, which is included, that goes around your calf. And we have a big, big Y cable. And what the Y cable allows you to do is wear the socks, use the elastic to keep them high, and then really connect at the top of each sock to both sides of this Y cable, which then fishes up both of your pant legs and goes up to a single battery. So if you have both of those batteries, you can really cut the power in half. You do this in more milder climates. Cut the power in half, and now you're getting up to 20 hours of continuous power. And really, I think a great use for this would be something that's easy, that's not a really tight-fitting garment. So if you're wearing this under waders, if you're fly fishing, you know, this could be something where this the battery pack actually just kind of lives in one of your pockets. So you can go that route if you so choose. I did mention, I got kind of a mess in front of me right here. I did mention that here is going to be my AC power adapter that's going to plug into a typical plug in your wall. And notice there are 2 chargers. So you can charge both of your batteries, one for each sock, individually at the same time. You know, you might be asking yourself, compared to some of the other Core Heat items that are in that $100 to $200 range, for a pair of socks that are going to be heated, you know, it's $200 is a significant cost. And that's really because you're getting 2 complete Core Heat Lithium-Ion microprocessor units, one for each sock. So effectively on each foot you're going to have a self-contained unit. So you can find the full Gerbings motorcycle line as well as the casual core heat line available at RevZilla.com/Gerbings. If you have any questions, shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com, 877-792-9455. As always, it's over $39. We'll ship it for free. If you get the wrong size and send it back, we'll exchange it for anything for free. And as always, if you just don't like it, send it back in brand new condition with all the packaging and tags in unworn condition, and we'll give you 100% back to your card. There's no restock fees here at RevZilla. You can also earn TeamZilla cash because it's over $100 to be applied to your next order on anything else here at RevZilla.com as part of our loyalty program. Thanks for watching RevZilla TV today. Find the Gerbings Core heated socks at RevZilla.com/Gerbings. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.